Yo, what's up everyone? It's Zendaku, and if there's one thing I love, it's pushing the limits of tech. This year, the game has been taken to a whole new level. So, if you're ready to dive into the future of gaming, buckle up, because we're about to explore the ultimate high-end gaming setup for 2024. Get ready to meet the titans of processing power, graphics cards that could melt your face, not literally, and displays so immersive they'll transport you to another dimension. Let's get right into it. First up, the heart of the ultimate gaming setup, the Origin PC Genesis. Imagine a PC built with no compromises. That's Genesis. Top-of-the-line Intel or AMD processors, dual NVIDIA RTX 4090S in SLI, and enough RGB lighting to illuminate a small city. Next, we have a name synonymous with gaming PCs, Alienware. The Aurora R15 continues their legacy of bold design and performance. It packs the latest Intel processors and NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPUs, all within their signature futuristic chassis with customizable Alien FX lighting. For gamers who demand power and versatility, there's the Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 15. Imagine your game running on the main 4K 120Hz screen while streaming, monitoring stats, or chatting with your squad on the secondary touchscreen display. Razer is known for its sleek and powerful gaming laptops, and the Blade 17 is no exception. This machine packs a serious punch in a thin, lightweight chassis. With its QHD display, high refresh rate, and powerful components, the Razer Blade 17 is a portable gaming powerhouse. Now let's talk displays. The Asus ROG Swift PG35VQ is a monster of a monitor. This 35-inch ultra-wide curved display wraps you in the game world like never before. For gamers who demand the best picture quality, there's the Alienware AW3423DW. This 34-inch QD OLED curved monitor is a game-changer. With its infinite contrast ratio, perfect blacks, and vibrant colors, the AW3423DW delivers an unparalleled visual experience. Audio is just as important as visuals in immersive gaming, and the Audi's Mobius headphones are in a class of their own, featuring planar magnetic drivers for detailed sound reproduction. With head tracking and room emulation, the Mobius creates a realistic and immersive soundscape that gives you a competitive edge. For gamers who demand wireless freedom and top audio quality, there's the SteelSeries Arctis Pro Wireless. Featuring a dual wireless system, comfortable design, high-fidelity audio, and long battery life, the Arctis Pro Wireless is perfect for long gaming sessions. Comfort is key for long gaming sessions, and the Herman Miller X Logitech G Embody chair is the ultimate throne. Designed with ergonomics experts, the Embody provides unparalleled support. Its posture fit system adjusts to your body, ensuring proper spinal alignment and reducing fatigue. Secretlab has quickly become a favorite among gamers, and the Titan Evo 2022 is their most impressive chair yet. With customizable lumbar support, adjustable armrests, and a range of upholstery options, the Titan Evo 2022 can be tailored to your preferences, built to last, with a durable steel frame and high-quality materials, ensuring you'll be gaming in comfort for years to come. For competitive gamers, the right controller makes all the difference. The SCUF Reflex Pro elevates the DualSense controller to new heights. Customizable paddles, adjustable triggers, and interchangeable thumbsticks tailor it to your style. The Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2 is a fantastic option for gamers who demand the best. It features adjustable tension thumbsticks, a rubberized grip, and shorter hair trigger locks. With impressive battery life and seamless connectivity, it's a top choice for serious gamers. No gaming setup is complete without a high-quality keyboard, and the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT is one of the best. It features Cherry MX Speed Silver key switches for fast response times, boasting per-key RGB backlighting, media controls, and a comfortable wrist rest. It's a joy for gaming and typing. The Logitech G502 Lightspeed Wireless is a classic gaming mouse updated with the latest tech. It features Logitech's Hero 25K sensor for precision and accuracy. With its comfortable design, customizable RGB lighting, and impressive battery life, it's a top pick for gamers. So, there you have it. The ultimate high-end gaming setup for 2024, from powerful PCs to immersive monitors and ultra-comfortable peripherals. This setup takes your gaming experience to the next level. Building a setup like this isn't cheap, but for the best of the best, this is it. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments your dream setup. Peace.